Here's how to change your country on Instagram. Now, if you're on Instagram on your iPhone or Android and you want your profile and your account to be associated with a specific country, you can always do that, but we need to change something in your settings to be able to do it. So let's hop into your settings first. And the first thing that we need to do is switch your account type from a personal account to a business account. Keep in mind, you don't need a business to do this, and it's completely free. So let's switch it over to a professional account and specifically choose a business. Now you can see it says what best describes you. You can choose to display this on your profile, and you can choose whatever you want on here. Digital creator, I'm just going to choose a dessert shop. Now, after I've done that, it will ask me, do I want a business or a creator account? You need to make sure that you select a business account on here. And now after, let's just hit next and then skip and then exit out of here. Now we've created that professional account as a business. Now we need to change the location and make sure it's displayed on your profile. To do that, let's tap edit profile here and let's scroll down. The first thing that we will choose is your contact options. You can see you can choose whether to have your email address, your phone number, etc. But let's choose a business address on here. And for the city town, I'm going to choose Raleigh, North Carolina, where I am in. Now I have Raleigh, North Carolina. You can have a full street address and a zip code, all of that stuff. But let's just hit done here. Now let's hit save. However, that's not the only thing we want to do. We want to tap on profile display and make sure display contact info is toggled on. This will allow all that contact info, including the new region or country in there. So let's hit done here. And now if I go back to, let me go back to my profile. And if I swipe down to refresh this, you'll be able to see now it shows that location in my profile.